Alright, so just do that over and over again, okay? Whoa, that's so cool, buddy!
Alright, have you got any so far? You got, looks like you got one good one. Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake. Nice. That's a nice one. Here, Adrian. If you see a good one, make sure you put it in your bag. You see that pink one? Put it in the bag. Grab it out of there. Open it up first. Show the camera.
Look, guys. I got a pink one.
All right.
Dad, do you by any chance have my phone? That's what I was know. I'm just like, I have no idea where I have all this stuff. Oh,
Wow, you got a bunch on that one. What colors did you get?
you got a big.
Open your bag. What color's that? Another pink?
Green.
Got a green one?
Black.
Black?
What is this color?
That's like a brownish.
It gives you a chart. Look at this. Okay.
I think you got some more in there, dude. I think you still need to clean it out a little before you dump some more. Clean it out a little before you dump some more.
This is as clean as I can get Carter's. The little ones don't come out.
All right.
Oh, gosh. Oh, Carter.
Look, I see.
Adrian, you know what this is? Adrian, you know what this is? Obsidian. Obsidian? That's what you use in Minecraft.
No way. You got a Minecraft gym?
Dad, you need to hold your phone. Obsidian. Okay, Dad, I want to clean this out.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Hold on. You put it up there. All right, dump some more. A little bit more. No, a little bit more. Good job. What do we get on this treasures? What are we gonna get?
Oh, now what?
Nothing? Oh, you got a little white one. Look at that white one. Look at those little ones in the corner. Oh, there's a clear one? There's like 3 clear ones in there. Look at that little orange one.
Yep, 1, 2, 3.
You want that one too? No, okay. All right.
Now we gotta sort through them later and find out. I was in the line, there was like nobody there, but I didn't know what to order. And they were just staring at me, and I was like,
We'll let him
There
finish.
was a long line 2 seconds ago.
I know. So I told you to go stand in line.
Well, I walked in like I knew what I
Dump
was
it all in there. Finish it up. That's good. Oh wow, I think I saw a bunch. I see some good ones. Shake it good. Shake it good.
Oh! What is that?
Wow, look at
You
those.
got an emerald.
Oh,
Or is it this one? Here, let me see it.
look at that one.
I got an emerald.
That one
it
is
an emerald?
awesome.
Yeah, it is. Dude, we're gonna have to make some cool blocks. I think.
Whoa.
Is this all worth money? No, not really. We're a keepsake. Come here, Carter.
Whoa, that one has an awesome red mark in it. That one is so neat. Wow, such cool color. Such neat ones, guys.
A lot of these stones do
There you go.
sell for a few bucks a piece, like in stores.
Yeah, put that one in there. That's really cool looking. All right, last bit.
Oh!
Last shake. Clean them good, clean them good.
Oh, you got a big one.
Oh, wow.
What is this one, Mom?
You have to get the paper.
Mom.
Grab the paper.
So my mom,
What's that one?
so he would go throughout the compound
Is it calcite?
Yeah, I think it's a calcite.
He's so happy about the rock.
Oh, look how much is that?
Yeah, you're pretty much done.
I think that's it, baby. You got any more dirt?
Oh, look, you got these. I just kind of did one of these. And
All
like,
right, that's it. There's that one. Yeah, that's a good one. There's two. Is there anything left in there?
not really.
All right. What'd you think, Adrian? Let's see all the ones you got.
Oh, look, here's another coin.
Can I see your bag one more time?
Here, Mom, put it in there.
Oh, that's
Wow.
kind of cool looking.
Put it in there.
Wow. Did you like the mining experience?